this call with me, telling me that you really wanted it. This is for the eBay?
Yeah.
But at the same time, you were here talking with me about scaling or whatever the fuck you're doing with his eBay. I don't think your concern is money. I think your concern is that you're not sure where to spend it. How right am I? I would just send that. And let's see. Duh.
Another question too.
Go.
Irrelevant to this. So I'm starting the new CSM job. Pretty much just have to go through like the whole course, take notes, post notes, join the coaching calls to see how it is. What else can I do to be above and beyond during this phase?
So yeah, excellent question. Actually, very good mentality. Number one is, well, I'll give you 3 things. Number one is study, like genuinely study. For example, when I joined I just saw it with the eyes of, I don't know anything about copy. Like I did know copy, but I was like, I just don't know anything about copy. I'm gonna go with this mindset. I'm gonna review all the content. I can promise you that no one in the studied faster than me. No one ever. Per day, I was finishing the whole modules. Per day, it was just like an obscene amount of work. So I could refer all of you to the best way. I could learn in the best way possible, blah, blah, blah. So insane studying, it's one. Second is create a custom GPT. Yes, GPT, not Claude. For this stuff, you want to use GPT. Create a custom GPT where you basically explain it every single fucking thing about this program, everything that you know, the avatar, the client, what you do. Give it as much content as you can, give it context also from how the offer is, how people are, the environment, the Tony Robbins things that they want, make it extensive. Put it on thinking. If you press the GPT, you can put it in thinking, 5.5 thinking, extensive mode. You can literally do that, and make it and give it self prompts. Like every time you answer to me, you're going to review all the notes and then give me an answer. And you're going to act as an expert CSM manager in this role and exactly what people are expecting out of me. With that, first of all, you can get any answer to any type of question that any student or anything can happen. That's one. The second one is, I would like you to use it, and you can literally ask that GPT to help you prepare for the worst possible scenarios and the most likely things that are going to happen. Just make it prepare you, ask you questions, practice some things so that basically you're unstoppable by the moment it happens. All right. With GPT and that alone, you can be a beast. Number 3, you need to be extremely interested. Okay. You need to be super interesting. And the way you're interesting is by being super interested in the others. Yes. So all the time, talk with people, greet them, be charismatic. You get on a call with someone or you see something, be positive, be charming. If you're on a one-on-one call with someone, bring up something positive in them. Always see things through their eyes so that you can be liked. Remember, at the end of the day, skills matter, but it is the one who has the contacts, the one who it's the friend of X that's the guy who gets the position. Yes, results matter like a motherfucker. I literally say, you guys know, results determine who obeys and who speaks. That doesn't mean that you cannot be someone who is extremely liked, trusted, and appreciated by everyone, because that's going to maintain you. That's like the glue. Okay? So develop that glue all around yourself so that you could stick in this place. Because with time, it's going to give you 5 figures, just this thing alone.